Next week, the Republic of Korea will be going through an annual defense exercise called Ulchi, I believe. And this year they're going to have a civil defense drill in the city of Seoul, the capital city, which has within the city, in the metropolitan Seoul area, 25 million people, will have a civil defense drill to include an air raid drill. This ought to be absolutely fascinating to watch 25 million people go through this exercise. This I gotta see. I obviously can't because I'm not there, but boy, I'd like to be. I want to see how this works out. Hope it's okay and hope no one gets hurt in the process.